I'm Dr. Rupali Shah. I'm a consultant homeopath and a nutritionist and also an NLP coach. I was taught NLP by Abhay Thhakkar, who has had 16 years of experience in this field. When I learned, I myself have seen a lot of changes, a lot of positive changes in me. I have become patient, I have become calm, I have been able to understand other people's perspective. I always am now thinking twice before acting. My language has become more positive. I also had shoulder pain since almost 2 years, and it was, in fact, a very excruciating pain when I joined on the first day. I had taken painkillers, but I'm so happy to say that after completing the course, that is of the 8 days, I was completely free of the pain, shoulder pain, and I'm not on any painkillers right now. So that is a very big win for me because that pain was really bring in my concentration and focus with my patients. So I would definitely want many more people to enroll for the course, especially done by Abhay Thakkar. Thank you, Abhay Thakkar.